Hi everyone! Today we will be making a chocolate salami. This is a common Portuguese dessert. Very easy to make, no oven nor eggs are needed. The preparation takes around 10 minutes. This recipe can be vegan with small adjustments. Let's get started. We will need the following ingredients: 200 grams of chocolate powder, 125 grams of salted butter, 4 tablespoons of cow milk, 50 grams of sugar, 200 grams of cookies. We will use Bolacha Maria. First step, crush your biscuits using your hands. Mix all the ingredients together until the mixture seems wet. Mix for at least 5 minutes. Shape it into a log. Wrap it in aluminum foil . And shape it into a cylinder. Chill it in the fridge for 3 hours until it's firm. It's ready to be sliced and served. Bon appétit!